In this video, you'll learn how to add a logo to your Stan store. By following this guide, you will successfully customize your store's appearance, enhancing your branding and visibility. Begin by navigating to the Stan store website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to log in. Once you complete this step, you will be directed to your main store dashboard. On the left sidebar of the dashboard, locate and click on the option labeled My Store. This action will take you to the settings specific to your store. After clicking, ensure that the page loads completely before proceeding. Next, look for the header page option, typically found within the store settings. Click on Header to access the section where you can modify the top part of your store page. Wait for the header settings to fully load, which may take a moment. At the top of the header page, you will see a round profile image displayed above the text, labeled Display Name. This image represents your current logo or profile picture. Hover over this image to reveal additional options. You will notice a small pencil icon appear over the image. Click on this pencil icon to initiate the logo upload process. This action will prompt a file selection window to appear, allowing you to choose your logo file from your device. Select the logo file you wish to upload and that the file format is supported and that the file size is appropriate, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Once you choose the file, confirm after the upload is complete, you will need to click the Save button to apply your changes. This button is usually located at the bottom of the header settings. Wait for the confirmation message indicating that your logo has been successfully saved. That completes the process of adding a logo to your Stan store. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.